Sure, here's a full YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone about the 2025 Oppo A31, structured into an engaging flow covering features, exterior, and a strong conclusion, all within around 800 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, the home of real smartphone talk where we don't hold back. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Oppo A31. It's back, refreshed, and upgraded, ready to shake up the budget smartphone scene once again. If you're hunting for a phone that offers solid performance without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. Let's get into everything that makes the Oppo A31 worth a second look. First off, let's talk features. The Oppo A31 has always been a budget-friendly device, but this time it's stepping things up a notch. The new version comes with a more efficient chipset that keeps things running smoothly whether you're multitasking, browsing, or scrolling through social media. While it's not meant to compete with flagship-level processors, it delivers enough power for daily use and even light gaming without stutter. The device now supports the latest version of ColorOS, which brings in better customization, smarter battery usage, and smoother animations. It learns how you use your phone, and adjusts the power usage accordingly. The AI integration is light but effective, giving you helpful suggestions without feeling invasive. The camera setup also sees a noticeable upgrade. The rear camera captures decent detail with improved low-light performance. Night shots come out clearer with less noise, and daylight shots are crisp enough for social media. Portrait mode has been enhanced with better edge detection, and the front camera now handles selfies better with more accurate skin tones and a wider angle, so group selfies are easier than ever. Battery life on this phone is impressive. You get a full day of use easily even with heavy social media scrolling, YouTube streaming, and some light gaming. Charging is not lightning fast, but it's decent and safe, giving you reliable performance day in and day out. Oppo has always been good at battery optimization, and the A31 continues that tradition. Now let's talk about the display. The screen is vibrant and larger than its predecessor with thinner bezels, giving it a more modern look. It's not AMOLED, but for this price range, the LCD panel is doing a great job. It handles colors well, and viewing angles are wide enough. Watching videos or scrolling through TikTok looks clean and bright. The touch response is also smoother, thanks to an improved refresh rate, which you can actually feel when you're swiping between apps or playing casual games. Let's switch gears and talk about the design. The exterior of the 2025 Oppo A31 is where it really feels like a new device. The build quality has improved, with a more premium finish even though it's still using plastic. It doesn't feel cheap in hand, and the curves are smooth, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. It comes in a few trendy color options that reflect light nicely, giving it a slight gradient shine that stands out without being too flashy. The back of the phone has a clean layout. The camera module is compact and neatly tucked into the corner with minimal bump, so it doesn't rock too much when placed on a flat surface. The fingerprint sensor is now side-mounted and integrated into the power button, which is more convenient and faster to use compared to rear-mounted scanners from older models. The Oppo A31 also keeps the headphone jack, which is a big win for those who still use wired headphones. Plus, there's expandable storage which is slowly disappearing from many devices, but Oppo is keeping it alive. You can easily throw in a micro SD card and not worry about running out of space for your apps, photos, or videos. In terms of connectivity, the phone has everything you need. Dual SIM support, reliable 4G connectivity, decent call quality, and even software optimizations that help with gaming by reducing lag and background noise. Now let's bring it all together. the 2025 Oppo A31 ISNTA phone that will blow your mind with crazy specs or flashy marketing gimmicks. What it offers is solid value. It focuses on the basics and gets them right. Reliable performance, a clean design, great battery life, and improved software experience. It's the kind of phone that just works without fuss. If you're someone who just wants a phone that can handle your day-to-day life, with some modern features and good looks without emptying your wallet, the Oppo A31 makes a strong case. It's built for real users, not just for spec sheets. That's it for today's breakdown of the 2025 Oppo A31. If you liked this video, hit that like button, drop a comment below on what you think about this phone, and don't forget to subscribe to FK iPhone for more straight-up takes on the latest in mobile tech. See you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version or want to turn this into a voiceover script with more emphasis and pacing.